Easy, cool and easy. Why? Them love the way me roll. Them love the way me roll. Yeah, me no titan, me no show off, me no hype man.
What up, vlog world? I don't know, it's your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! Oh, what a them. We have Punky right here. Slain. Yeah, I don't know, me just put in the workouts and baitings. Yeah, we're heading the beach today in a few of them built. So my total gym over there, so. Place is kind of mess. So my total gym. Melika. Okay. So yeah, today we're going to the beach. We're gonna have a beach lifestyle. I think I'm gonna bring my laptop and do some work there. You know, just living it up the real way. Skylife way. Yes. So keep it locked to Skylife TV. Welcome to my channel. If you're on my channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please remember to hit that subscription button and show the love. What up, vlog world, back at it again. Brazil show. Stephanie, we're on our way to the beach. We're on. Me not tell you. Me not tell vlog world. I'm telling my skylifers. Yeah. So we're not on schedule. We're supposed to leave from 2. Now it's like 3:30 to 4. I'm in my polar hats. I'm bathing. I just wanna take you out and show you love. You already know that you're the perfect one. Yo. Lucky girl though, you're saying. Yeah, so when they walk on the road and bathing as usual. Tired up like here. I wanna be a trophy. I think the trophy. I wanna be a trophy. The hat is blacking. The hat is blocking my face. Anyways, Punky. Yo. Say fork 4 times. Fork 4 times. No, say it 4 times. Say fork. Fork 4 times. No, Mr. Say fork 4 times. I say fork. Oh, fork. Say it 2 more times. Fork. Say it 5 times. Fork. Say it 1 more time. Fork.
Why you should drink soup?
Spoon. You're such a smart girl. I thought you would have said fork. We don't do it good then. She got it right.
I like enough spoon to drink. What you drink?
No.
Because fork you would have never done.
Me not do it right. Normally people say fork. Anyways guys, I'm gonna sign out now.
Peace.
We're heading to take a drive.
What up, vlog world? You don't know it's Punky representing for Skylife TV. Yeah. Me don't know, you sound like some siren, you frighten me. So yeah, we are go on the beach side. One piece of heat I take with in Jamaica. Take mess away there. Yeah, she that round there. So soon show you outfit of the day. This is my dress and thing like a Melika.
Ball.
Ish. No ramp with woman, yeah.
We not play.
I say stop laugh out the vlog. Everything you in your teeth for.
Oh, so funny we just and
then no ramp with me. Evening. Yeah. Yeah. I miss said one man.
They don't recognize Punky.
They don't recognize me.
No, me not trouble. You hear what me say?
Nobody not see.
You hear what me say? Alright.
Way.
So guys, you don't know.
I just wanna take you out and show you. Like a why you do a singer?
Well, I just trophy. I like that song. Guys, I want you to make a comment below if you want to become a vlogger but you don't know what to do. Right? Because I realize that a lot of people want to do more vlogging. Stephanie have no manners and see me on the vlog. A lot of people want to do vlogging but they don't know what to do. They're shy. they don't think that they can do it, they don't think that they have the right camera, and a lot of things, right? So I want you to comment below if you want to become a vlogger and you don't know what to do, why you're doing that, because MELICASKYLIFE is gonna give you the tips you need to get that done.
And
because
Punky,
I remember when I started like 6 to 7 months ago, like I never knew that I would be so comfortable in front of the camera, you know. I remember when I just had 19 subscribers and I'm close to 500 subscribers now. I'm so proud of myself, and I want to take other Jamaicans along with me because what? Where
what up, vlog world?
Yeah, I want to encourage my fellow Jamaicans because it took me a long time to actually start vlogging. I remember I started vlogging, I edited a bunch of videos and I never put them up. I actually deleted them, you know, because I was saying like maybe they not gonna like that or whatever, you know. When you want to vlog, you question yourself a whole lot before you actually start doing it. Right, guys? So make a comment below now if you want to become a vlogger, but you're just scared, you don't know what to do, you want some tips, any little thing. Make a comment. Me I go answer and be a things. I'll see me I'll break out this one and make she love chat in front of the camera.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, so because I realize a lot of Jamaicans are correction, thank you, are actually getting onto this vlogging thing, you know, and yeah, we can make it. Trophy. You don't know when we are trophy in a place. Yeah?
Actually, crown of the day, yeah.
Wait, me have my crown for me, that what do you?
If I did say your crown, me
So yeah, guys, Punky, I'm not telling a lie. You're clean like a eyeball today.
I'm telling you.
Yes, you're on fleek.
Yeah, on a school Monday now.
So she gotta take them out
tonight.
Why you can't take them out tomorrow?
Tonight me take no, so last night then they give me one piece of hell in my bed, miss. I couldn't sleep.
And you look so good at all, like say all is well.
All is not well. I know say I like grown, so when you put on the like, you know, like when your ear burn up and they burn something, what that names?
Calf.
Yeah, like some of them they run us so too, oh, his ear tight.
As some men do it tight?
You go so, what's around for you? can't manage it.
I never know somebody died. Then Stephanie should have stopped me when that tight.
Mess about they no turn back in the day.
Yeah, maybe more than get revenge when nobody does nothing.
I just wanna
Hey guys, this is us walking on the road. Guys, the improvements in my skin is so good. Guys, I encourage you to drink the apple cider vinegar with a tubes of lemon juice. Good. I think I'm gonna do a review on the apple cider vinegar and the lemon juice. Yeah, because it actually works. I actually see the difference in my skin and also in my weight loss. Yeah, so guys, I'll take a taxi now and stuff. Alright. Why?
Cause I'm tired and I'll drive.
You think we've wait for her so?
No,
Wait for him so?
Suppose the man come down full. A disgrace for we, you know. No baby G come. Come baby G.
You're a trophy.
You don't money I take hard, you know, and you know reach for her that way, you know.
See, she look nice in her heels, you know.
Chucky wife.
And I ramp with you.
Not ramp.
So guys.
Anyways, my favorite cartoon.
Can I tell people them favorite cartoon for what?
Cause my favorite cartoon was like Chucky and I don't even remember any.
Chucky was not a cartoon.
Chucky, me not know. Chucky.
It was not a cartoon.
Mesa, what was yours?
My favorite cartoon of all times is The Avatar. My cartoon.
Last year been there, you know. Anyways, a Chucky me there.
I love airbending.
And thing. Alright.
Pookie feeling
said no ramping up. Take time walk.
I thought he was going around the road. That's why I didn't go. Yeah. Avatar,
reach on the road and no one thing.
Hey. Put up the phone, Pookie, until we reach it.
Yeah, we'll put up the phone until we reach our destination. Melika, we have stopped there so I look like you're not plan to stop. And thing. So Bye vlog world. We'll see you in a bit. You know?
We're out. So guys, we had to make some different stops. It's around 5 now. We still don't reach the beach. We're on our way now. Punky for the elevator. So what's our reaction? You're afraid. Your head gone up? Your head gone up?
No, so I got no.
When you stop, you go fill out you too. Yeah, so we're heading to the beach now, finally.
Yeah.
Why we not do that? Maybe can you stop do that? No, yes. What?
Yes, I am. Something's wrong.
Why you feel you come out? Come. Yeah, guys. So we're on the bottom road right now.
My head don't know good and you can't go.
Only. And stuff. Alright? Oh boy. I'm so tired. We are going to go to the beach now, so maybe we're on the sand. Finally, you'll see us.
Yo.
Punky, wave the camera. Wave.
Show them the sunset, you know, say yeah. Jamaica with the and thing at a Margaritaville over there, so that this is me here, so yeah. Stop zoom up in my face, so come in now. Yeah. Up the day, you know. Yeah. The back not coming, but yeah, beach. Come on, Melika.
So we're currently in the water. My hair is wet. It's lit. Have a nice day at the beach. Well, it's actually night now. We reached late. Here with Hambi and things. Yes. Guys, thank you for stopping by MELICASKYLIFE TV. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hello, vlog world. Yeah, you don't know it's punk. Mister, take it like easy about that light. Show me body now. My body, some body. Yeah.
Yo, somebody please contact me, Stephanie Skylife. She's a model. You can send your clothes. If you want to send us clothes, I'll request our email address for queries and dating.
Be right here.
Yeah,
and I like me ear to done by Meliboo.
Guys, thanks for chilling with us at the beach.
You know, I don't want to wet up my ear. No, sir, when I walk in a beer, now your ear look damn good. Mine not gonna look so good.
It gonna look good because I wave.
No, I don't like it.
Nice to come down, people.
Yeah. People, this is me. Yeah.
Yeah, what do them? Yeah, what we do on our channel, we make ourselves different. We don't want to be like the average YouTuber, right? We want to show our personality, our style, our true colors. You don't know. We're not put shade on nothing because we're not asking people. We don't want to show a side of us that we think you want to see, right? We're showing our true
side. Want to pick on me?
Basics. Anyways,
I like how that bone the sound.
Anyways, guys, bye. This is where I end this vlog though. So thanks for stopping by MELICASKYLIFE TV. Please remember to give this. Alright, I'm gonna say it just like on the
know some breast them a grow. Skylife TV, you know, tell me.
Thank you so much for stopping by MELICASKYLIFE TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for stopping by MELICASKYLIFE TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.